Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create Roblox games on mobile. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our browser app right here, and once we open our browser app, the next thing we need to do is to search for roblox.com. After that, turn on desktop site on your browser app by clicking the three dots. After that you will now be able to see the create button, so just click it. After that you can now create, publish, edit and upload games using your mobile. After that you're now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.